too.
Wow.
Maybe 10,000 people.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
In the front, this is to the
So
island.
where do you get the information that the ship's coming? You know already,
Yeah,
huh?
we head to the
You
all
have,
season.
you have communication.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the Stone Island to the other side is
Okay.
the Stone Island Beach.
Island
Right?
Beach.
In the green, this is to the coconut.
Uh-huh.
This one is for sale at 400,000 US.
Whoa. 400,000.
This to the left is to the way to the street.
Overviewing, yeah.
And then this building, this is to the Pacific Pier factory.
Uh-huh.
Pacific Pier, and the left, we
Oh.
have to the cathedral, to the market.
Okay.
These houses, 65 years ago, it went to the ocean.
Uh-huh.
This is a harbor channel, this is a station right there.
Before it was also.
Yeah.
Wow, look at me, that also before. Yeah. Now it's land.
To the beach, it's very quiet.
Uh-huh.
To the Stone Island Beach. Look at there, it's a long way. No time.
Wow. Look at that.
Before we leave this Holland, went ahead of us.
Yeah. Holland crew, yeah, they're coming tomorrow, maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
See, this is to the Carnival,
Carnival.
Holland America.
Oh, tomorrow, Holland, America, I see. Tomorrow daw, 10,000. Biro mo, 10,000 people, wow.
Yes, and the cruise ship.
Tomorrow.
We have more customer.
More customer, good business, huh?
Ah, yeah, maybe.
So tomorrow I will see you next.
Yeah,
I will see you next year, man. I will see you next year, man.
Aye.
We always go here every year.
Yeah, every year we come here, we will see you. Yeah.
Maybe.
We just go outside and see you, huh?
Yeah.
You don't go inside or no?
No.
No, we just outside. Okay. Okay. Iguana again. Iguana is everywhere, right? Okay, bye bye iguana. Okay.
Ito ang family.
Museo de la Balena.
De la ballena.
Ballena.
Wow. This is the ballena.
Wow, may ballena yan, oh. Ballena, parang Pilipino yun, no? Ballena.
In the green, this is the bougainvillea flower.
Bougainvillea. Some of the same name, no? Bougainvillea. Yeah, Bougainvillea, yan, oh. Ballena. No, ballena is a whale.
Well,
Oh.
well. But it's the private.
Uh-huh.
This home is now 180 years.
180 years.
This is to the up, this is to the restaurant. This is to the up to the stairs.
Uh-huh.
La Marea. In the right, we have a good view. It's a view to the city and the ocean in the lighthouse.
Yeah.
It's a good view.
Very nice view, huh? Look at
It's
that
a
view.
good weather right here to the
Oh, wow.
This is to the zip line.
La Marea,
The
Balay.
university, red building.
The University of,
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's the red building there.
meron
It's
silang university.
all referring to the ocean.
Uh-huh.
Parang sa atin.
This is to the restaurant.
Uh-huh. I might go to school here. Go to school for Universidad of Mel.
This is to the restaurant.
Uh-huh.
Right here, I see to the other side city.
Uh-huh.
This is to the ferry boat terminal.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. Hello, Norwegian.
Ferry boat terminal
Hello.
right there.
Uh-huh.
The ferry is going to La Paz every day.
Oh, nasa taas tayo niya, ano?
Do you remember?
Uh-huh.
Parang bagyo ganito.
Parang bagyo.
Ganito yung mga mataas-taas pa mo, ano. Yeah.
Baguio City, yeah.
Bagyo, ganito rin ang style. Yung apartment namin nasa